Hi guys, are you a Mac user and trying to build VR games in Unity? Great! Let's talk about the funny error message that will probably pop up after you run your app on Mac. Run. Failed to load openxr runtime loader. Uh-oh. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Please give me a like and subscribe. Now let's go to Project Settings, XR Plugin Management, choose the Windows tab. Disable the openxr. Now let's try it again. Run. Yeah, the error disappears. That's all. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.